Alrighty everyone, I have got my 4 cans of pineapple rings sizzling on my Blackstone here. I used 2 sticks of butter, I used 2 containers of honey roasted peanuts, and I am just coming in with some coconut shreds, and look how delicious this whole collection is looking. Now you can't have a tropical treat without brown sugar, so I am just gonna come in with my brown sugar. I'm gonna concentrate this right on top of all that coconut, those peanuts, and we're just gonna get a nice, beautiful caramelization going here. It's gonna be so yummy with that pineapple taste. Oh, brown sugar and pineapple is probably my favorite thing to eat. Oh my God, I just love the brown sugar. Alrighty, now we're just gonna put our pineapple rings into a nice pattern here. I do kind of want to line them up, but we're just gonna see what we can make happen. Y'all, isn't this such a fun way to do a delicious tropical treat? It's perfect for the summer Hawaiian barbecue party. You simply cannot go wrong feeding people pineapple. I don't know a single person who does not like pineapple, who does not want to imagine that they are in Hawaii. Alrighty, I've just got my maraschino cherries here. This is like playing a fun little carnival game, just getting these into the center of my pineapple rings, just like that. And we use peanuts because they were a cheaper alternative to macadamia nuts. You know, macadamia nuts get pretty expensive. Really don't know anyone who doesn't mind a little bit of peanuts. All right, I am just coming in with my cake mix now. She's looking a little thick, but don't worry, I'm gonna spread her out. This is 3 boxes of super moist vanilla. Of course, you can use a pineapple cake mix if you can find it. You could use a lemon, an orange, any kind of tropical cake would be so delicious. All right, I'm just gonna fill in some of these little cracks here. Y'all, it is so easy to do this dessert onto the Blackstone. Alrighty, I'm just closing the lid on my Blackstone for about 10 minutes, and then we'll be ready to hula. Alrighty, y'all. We just let this cook for about 20 minutes right here onto our Blackstone. Our pineapple upside down cake is ready to be served for all of our guests at our Hawaiian barbecue extravaganza. Look at that. Doesn't that look gorgeous? Oh my gosh. We got those pineapples on there with our cherries baked in, a little bit of those peanuts, and that fluff. Look how fluffy this cake texture is. Oh my God, it looks incredible. I cannot wait to take a bite of this. Oh, so good. Y'all, you gotta try it.